Apple MacBook Neo, best laptop for AI developers? Apple has been pushing AI capabilities across its entire ecosystem, and now even its most affordable laptop is entering the AI conversation. The new Apple MacBook Neo is Apple's newest entry level Mac designed to bring Mac OS and Apple's AI ecosystem to more users at a much lower price point. But the big question is the MacBook Neo actually good for AI developers? In this guide, we'll explore the hardware, performance, AI capabilities, and real developer workflows to see whether this laptop is a smart choice for building AI applications. So let's go over what the MacBook Neo is. It's right over here. You can see the Apple MacBook Neo available in these four finishes. It has silver, blush, citrus, and indigo. So the Apple MacBook Neo is Apple's newest budget laptop released in 2026, as you would know, and then it starts at around $599, making it one of the most affordable Mac laptops Apple has ever produced. So here you can see that it is for $599 with a discount for students. You can get it at an even lower price, but you have the $599 and then you have $699 depending on the storage memory. So that is basically it. These are the prices that you have, and this is pretty low. So despite the lower price, the laptop still includes many modern Apple technologies. So we're going to go over them together. And some key specifications include that. Let's start with the display. So it includes that you have a 13-inch liquid retina display, and then you have amazing color support here as well. It includes the Apple A18 Pro chip. So over here, you can see that it has the Apple 18 Pro chip along with 8 GB unified memory. So you have, in terms of storage, you have the 256 GB or 512 GB SSD storage, and you can choose between those two options that you are being given. It has up to 16 hours of battery life, and we have that right over here. So with that, you can have 16 hours of video streaming and up to 11 hours wireless web. It also includes a 16-core neural engine, which is Apple's specialized hardware designed for AI processing. This means that the laptop is built not just for normal productivity, but also for AI accelerated tasks, and this is what we're looking for. So let's go deeper into this and overview the A18 Pro chip and AI performance. So the heart of the MacBook Neo is the Apple A18 Pro chip. This chip includes a 6-core CPU, a 5-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine. Now, the neural engine is particularly important because it accelerates machine learning tasks such as image processing or natural language models and AI inference. Even though the A18 Pro originally came from Apple's iPhone lineup, benchmarks show it delivers strong single-core performance compared with many traditional laptop processors. For AI developers, this means certain workloads, especially inference tasks, can run very efficiently. Now, let's go over some AI development tools that run on Mac. So most AI developers don't train huge models directly on their laptops, but instead they use laptops to write code, to test the models, and to connect to cloud GPUs. On Mac OS, developers can run tools such as Python, TensorFlow, Visual Studio Code, and Docker. Apple also provides its own AI framework called Core ML, which allows developers to run machine learning models directly on Apple hardware. The neural engine can accelerate many of these models when optimized correctly as well. Now, let's talk about how developers actually use laptops like this. So let's go over some real AI workflows on the MacBook Neo. Now, a typical AI workflow might look like this. First, the developer writes code in Visual Studio Code. Then they run experiments locally using Python and PyTorch. After that, heavy training workloads are sent to cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, RunPod, and Paperspace. In this setup, the laptop acts mainly as a development machine, not the main training server. So for these workflows, the MacBook Neo can perform surprisingly well. There are several reasons the MacBook Neo could appeal to developers. So let's go over the advantages for AI developers. And the first advantage is the price. So let's go over to the price again. And the price is around $599, which is much cheaper than many MacBook Pro models while still offering modern Apple silicon. And then we have the advantage of the battery. So here we have the battery. The battery goes up to 16 hours, which is ideal for working on the go. So that could be pretty helpful for any developer. And third is the neural engine. Dedicated AI hardware helps accelerate tasks like image recognition, summarization, and AI powered apps. And then finally, macOS itself is popular among developers for its Unix based environment and strong tool support. So it already has a reputation among developers and is well perceived. But the MacBook Neo does have some limitations. So let's go over the limitations for serious AI. Now, the biggest is memory. The base model only includes 8 GB unified memory, which can be restrictive when working with large machine learning models. Another limitation is the GPU. Integrated GPU works well for many tasks, but it's not comparable to dedicated NVIDIA GPUs used for AI training. This means training large models locally may not be practical. Most developers would rely on cloud GPUs. Now, let's compare the MacBook Neo with high-end AI laptops. Compared with higher end machines like the Apple MacBook Pro, the Neo is entry level. MacBook Pro models with M series chips typically include more CPU cores, stronger GPUs, much larger memory configurations, and these make them better suited for heavy machine learning workloads. The Neo is better as a development and testing machine, not a full AI learning workstation. Now, who should actually buy it? The MacBook Neo is ideal for developers building AI apps using APIs, programmers experimenting with AI tools, developers relying mostly on cloud GPUs. It would not be ideal for running large language models on device, and it would not be ideal for GPU heavy machine learning research. So, is the Apple MacBook Neo the best laptop for AI developers? The answer depends on usage. It's good for coding, it's good for experimenting with AI frameworks, connecting to cloud GPUs, but it is not ideal for heavy AI training, running large models locally. The Neo offers an affordable entry point into AI development within Apple's ecosystem, which may be exactly what many developers need. So, for an affordable, portable, and AI capable development machine, the MacBook Neo is worth considering. For heavy AI workloads, high end Macs or dedicated workstations are still better. Ultimately, the MacBook Neo is a gateway laptop for AI developers, letting you start building and experimenting without breaking the bank.